This video is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice.
Refresh. And oh, do you see this, guys? That's also. Let's check the history.
Hey, what's up, guys? I've been researching a lot about the Solana project, exploring Solana ecosystem features, or claiming some airdrops. Recently, I found a really interesting tool, and I want to share it with you. So, what do we need to do?
Click the start button. Like she said. Okay. Let's place it here. So now we need set up few settings. All this copying, paste it here. And this one.
That's it. We're ready to go.
Close. I flip this one.
What's next? Just select this option and press start. Now we need to repeat the steps shown in the picture, carefully, step by step. And yes, it works. Let's move on. We repeat another one. Place it here, here, and here. And again, it works. Of course, there are some limits, but I also have a few additional features. Hold on a second. Paste it here. Okay, nice. Everything is in place. Then means we can continue. So, let's go another one.
So peel it. And let's go. This. And this. And yep, it works again. Let's go mess on. Oh, nice picture here. Hold. Here. And look at this. Let's go. Where's it here? Here. Here. Yep. So, I think we're ready for the next step. What's this? Okay. What I need to do? Choose this one. Open. Go here. Send. Paste it. I think it's enough. And confirm. We can spend time. Yeah. Let's go back to the app. Need to refresh. Yeah. Yep. All of here. If we can go to this one. So it's very serious. So as always, fill it up. Press this and let's go. You get yes. And have a very nice year, guys. Let's go next. Yes, like this. And do you see this? Oh, that's awesome. And I think another one. I just click here, and here. And yes.
I think that's enough for today. Everything looks good. Let's wrap it up. All right.
Please look for Llama. Roll here. Copy this. Breathe and view it. And okay. Yes, success. So, let's check the main one. Here it's okay. Now, refresh. And oh, do you see this, guys? That's also. Let's check the history. Yep, also clear and correct. Thanks for watching.